If I tell you, say I love you, oh.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Oluchi on the ones and twos, back by popular demand. Holla holla, wait. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, but this 2018 is shot my ear shot. I mean, can I hear an amen from the back? From the back? Yeah, you over there. Amen to that. I just want to say officially happy new year. I hope this year comes with so much blessings for y'all, more than we can all even imagine and dream. Guess what? This is the best time of your life to make the best moves, okay? Because you ain't got no past. I mean, you can't change the past, but you can impact the future. So make your best moves right now, okay? Happy New Year. I just want to send blessings and good mojo your way. So anyways, to my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I'm gonna shout y'all out first, okay? Y'all the real ones, so I'm gonna shout y'all out first. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for pushing me from 2017 into 2018. And to all the people that are new, seeing my face for the first time, some have seen my face before, but are not subscribed for whatever reason that may be. There's one big button down below, and this is 2018. Like, don't hold back. Do you understand? You don't need to be holding back in this 2018. You need to plunge. Do it. Just do it. Okay? So that big red button, just do it. Like, it doesn't take any money from you. It's free. Do you understand? It is free. And I know everybody clearly like that free. Okay? So let me give you the plug. Click on it. It's free. So this be my first video of 2018. I was trying to think, what do I want to film? What look do I want to do? Do I want to do makeup? What do I want to do? Like, as per, where is my life heading now? Where is my YouTube channel heading? Is this going to be the first video of this year? And I decided that I just wanted to focus on certain people or highlight certain people that I feel like are doing really great in the industry by just supporting their brands and using it. Y'all are doing it. So I decided to start off this year by combining two different women that I feel like, have really made a name for themselves in this industry, out of hard work and just commitment. And, I want to bring that good karma to myself, that mojo. I want to draw their vibe to me, right? Just being consistent, being hardworking, all that. So let's start off with some Huda Beauty products. Of course, I had to include this lady right here because she embodies what we are trying to get to on YouTube right here. She's definitely someone that I look up to. Yeah, just for being herself, being so real, and just letting y'all know the tea. And that is no other than Miss Jackie Aina. And today I am wearing her La Peach. Not LeBron's, because LeBron's going to be in another video, because LeBron's, I'm wearing La Peach, okay? I didn't just want to steal the shine from Huda, so I wanted to just incorporate both of them. Let's get the blend, let's get that balance. Without further ado, my big mouth is going to shut up.
Alright beauties, it's been a long time since I did a voiceover, but let's get used to this again, okay? So I'm starting off by filling out my brows with my Flawless Brow Trio, and I believe I purchased it from BH Cosmetics. This is my go-to. I absolutely love this product because it has the cream, which I do first, and then I fill in with the powder. Next, to conceal, I'm using the NYX Corrector and Conceal palette in the shade medium, the whole palette is a medium shade. And then I'm going to go into my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist palette and taking that shade you see right there, we're just gonna clean up these brows, y'all. Concealer really does it for my brows, honestly. I can't draw brows just and not use concealer. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my spoolie to blend out my brows a little bit and just make it look more natural. Now taking my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I'm just going to be using that to prime my eyes. I absolutely love reaching for this product for priming. It just gives me such a good base. And I'm going to set everything with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And we're going to head over to the eyes. Today I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I absolutely love this palette. Although the fallout is so much, it's kind of annoying, but I mean, all in all, the color payoff is pretty good. So first I took Amber, and I'm just going to be using that to blend, or use as my transition color really. Next, I'm going to Oud. Oud is just like, it's as majestic as the actual product, you know. I don't know if y'all have ever used Oud, but you know how strong smelling and like how like, you know, distinctive, you know when someone's wearing Oud. That's kind of how like this color reminds me of. It's just so like rich, like, you know, it was just like, whoa, you know, very little went a long way. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Y'all might see me dancing in this video. I was just super excited. Like I usually like to film or do my makeup playing music in the background, and yeah, like the vibe was just too lit. It was just too fun. I'm sure y'all can relate. I'm sure at least one or two of y'all can relate. Next, I am going into the color Saffron, I believe, and I'm going to be using that to define my crease a little bit more. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be taking my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer, I believe in the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to be using that to just kind of do like a half cut crease. I'm not going all the way to the end of my eye. I just want to have that part a little more defined because it's going to be like a nude shadow going on there. So to set that, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder, just a little bit of it, and then I'm going to go into Desert Sand, the color from the Huda Beauty palette, and just going to use that to top it off. Okay guys, are y'all seeing this look? Okay, stay with me, stay with me. Okay, next I'm going to go into, oh my god, y'all, I cannot pronounce this. Oh my god, I really cannot. Amethyst. Oh, yo, no, I'm not gonna do this to myself, but I'm gonna go into that purple color. I'm gonna leave the name in like the video, the description box, so y'all can know what I'm talking about. And just gonna use that to blend into Desert Sand. Next, I'm going to the color Twilight, the color next to that other color that I cannot pronounce, and I'm just topping that off. This is more of a topper off color. That's why I put the color that I cannot pronounce underneath, just because it gives it more of like, I don't know, a pop, because it's one of those dual chrome shadows. And yeah, just pretty much blending the rest out. I've done my other eye off camera, and now I'm just going to line. I'm not really doing a liner, like a wing liner. I just want to line the top of my eyes a little bit. And then I have applied my falsies. So going in with my Huda Beauty foundation in Cinnamon 440G, I'm just going to be taking one pump of that, and y'all, one pump was like, oh my god, I was like, whoa. And I'm also going to be taking her primer, because she included it in her, with the foundation. I just think that is absolutely amazing, because most times, most products that, you know, like brands make work better with each other, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be buffing in my foundation with a buffing brush. And y'all, I feel like if I put another layer, like, this was already looking really yellow for me. I think it ended up just blending right into my skin or oxidizing a little bit. But at first I was like super concerned. I was like, oh my god, this is totally gonna be so yellow for me. Oh my god. But I think it worked out. I don't know if I put another coat though. Now I'm just going to go in with my MAC finishing powder and just gonna set my foundation in place. I usually like to set my foundation just because I don't want it to go anywhere. Like don't run away from me 2018, okay? And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer in the color medium, and y'all, I have a really bad thing of picking concealer colors. Like, I really thought this was gonna be my shade, but clearly not. So I'm gonna go over it with my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, I believe. Well, if it's not, I'll let y'all know what it really is. And I'm just gonna use that to highlight where I usually highlight, which is underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now going into Fenty Beauty, I'm using this Matchstix in the color Truffle as my contour. And we're just gonna blend it out. Blend away all your infirmities, blend away all your, I don't know, fake friends, fake relationships in this 2018, okay? We're gonna stay, you know, all blended out, all cleaned up, okay? Okay, don't say I didn't tell you nothing. Okay, so yeah, I'm blending in my highlight now, and I like to let my highlight sit because I feel it gives me a better coverage, so y'all don't get tense. I actually learned this from Jackie Aina, and I really think it works perfectly fine, okay? Don't judge. So now I'm just gonna set my under eye with Sacha Buttercup. I don't really bake anymore. I just really press that powder where it needs to be. And I also press it into my smile lines because I have horrible, horrible, horrible smile lines. And for me, this is what like works the most. It doesn't work 100%, but it works the most. Now I'm taking this MAC blush called Blunt, and I'm actually gonna be using that to just contour my nose some more as a powder to set the other contour. And into this NYX K duo contour thing, I don't know. I can't remember what it said. I'm just gonna use that to set my contoured areas. Now I'm just gonna use my Iman powder in Clay 3 to put everything together. Reaching into my Ruby Kisses blush palette, I'm going to take like a peachy blush and I'm going to apply that. Then I'm going to set some Master Fix spray from Maybelline, and I'm lining my lips now with NYX in deep purple. Oh my god, that feels like a mouthful. I feel like I was just running my mouth for like for hours. Okay, so next I am going to be using a Huda Beauty lip product, and I believe this is in the color Material Girl. And yeah, I just got like some of like her lip products, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be using. I think I used 2 coats of that, and it got me to right where I was. And one of the highlights of the show, I'm going to be using this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder by our own very Jackie Aina in the color Le Peach. Okay, y'all, like, look at this highlight. Let it come through to your soul. Like, seize your soul 2018. Don't play no games. Don't sleep on me. Let me shine through. Like, who can dim my shine, y'all? Who can dim this shine? I think I went a little bit overboard, but guess what? Who cares? Who really cares, y'all? This is 2018. We get to be as extra as we need to be, okay? Don't let nobody tell you nothing. You do what you need to do, and you stay happy doing what you need to do, okay? And now I'm just lining my eye with some brown liner, taking that Twilight and just kind of shading it off. Again, back with the La Peach. And I'm using that for my inner tear ducts, and y'all can already see how bright my eyes look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed listening to my voice. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see y'all in my next one. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.